definitely make the use of comment section of this video, and do let me know if any other new cue card you came across or your friend came across in the real exam that is not available on this channel, so that we can prepare it as soon as possible. A new cue card. Talk about a person who likes to cook for others. बहुत सिंपल क्यू कार्ड, बहुत रियलिस्टिक एंड सिंपल आइडिया और बहुत इजी टू फॉलो सैम्पल आंसर आपके साथ मैं अभी शेयर करने वाला हूँ. क्यूज कैन बी हु दिस पर्सन इज, फॉर whom he or she cooks, why she likes to cook for others. We can talk about any other person, but let's talk about our mother. आप अपनी मम्मा के बारे में बात कीजिए, मैं अपने मदर के बारे में बात करता हूँ. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट मदर के जैसा खाना कोई और बना नहीं सकता. और इनफैक्ट इनकी मोर लाइक अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी रहती है कि ऑल 3 मील्स ऑफ द डे उनको फैमिली के लिए बनाने रहते हैं, और वो बहुत दिल से बनाती है. ऑफ कोर्स हर किसी को उसको लाइक एंड डिसलाइक का पता है, उसको ध्यान में रख के वो फूड बनाते हैं. हमेशा कुछ नया और वैरायटी बनाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें बाहर खाने की कभी ज़रूरत ही नहीं फील होती. जो गेस्ट आते हैं उनको भी उनकी इस स्किल का पता है, वो स्पेशली रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं फूड के हमारे लिए ये बनाइए. इनफैक्ट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट कि वो यूट्यूब या थ्रू वीडियोस और कुकरी शोज़ नए नए रेसिपीज़ भी सीखते हैं. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट हम ये भी ऐड करेंगे कि आई एम ऑल्सो लर्निंग दिस स्किल फ्रॉम अ मदर, सो दैट वन डे आई ऑल्सो बिकम अ गुड कुक. राइट, तो ये प्रेजेंट करते हैं इसे 2 मिनट की एक एवरेज टॉक में कि कैसे आपको अपने कंपोज्ड मैनर में एग्जामिनर के सामने अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करना है. वेल, many people possess cooking skill, but there are very few who actually take the pleasure in cooking and serving food to others. I would surely take this opportunity to talk about my mother, who I believe is a wonderful cook, and she also loved to feed others or cook for others. My mother is actually a housewife, and she has to prepare all 3 meals of the day. I can say it is more like a responsibility of any typical mother in an Indian family. So every time she cooks food is always finger-licking delicious. She always prepare a variety and always take care of the likes and dislikes of the family members, and that's the reason why whatever she cooks, we always enjoy it. She takes a lot of interest in learning to cook new food items. That's the reason why she often learn new recipes by following some cookery shows or YouTube videos. And on weekends, when especially we all family members are together and at home, she cooks something special for us. She often tries fast food items like pizzas, burgers, sandwiches, everything at home, which generally tastes better than the restaurant meals. And this is perhaps a reason why we never feel the need to sit in a restaurant or eat outside unhealthy food. Last but not least, these days I'm also learning the skill to cook food from my mother, because soon I will be moving to a different country for my further study. This skill will not only help me to feed myself, but actually I want to become a wonderful cook like my mother, who gets the appreciation of others all the time. And I hope one day I will also learn to cook well like mother, and will also take the pleasure in cooking for others. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this particular short session, and this video helped you in preparing one more cue card. And definitely make the use of comment section of this video, and do let me know if any other new cue card you came across or your friend came across in the real exam that is not available on this channel, so that we can prepare it as soon as possible. Although the written version of all my cue cards are available in Speaking Booster, that you can unlock anytime by following these simple steps. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.